My friends, today I'm going to show you a small tip about how to discover your Wi-Fi password from your Windows machine in one line of code. First of all, we go to Start, type CMD, and hit Enter. Command and prompt application will open in front of you. Here, where we are going to type that line of code. Net SH, which stands for network shell. Then WLAN, we are specifying which type of network we are dealing with. And then show profile. Show profile, in another word, we can say it's showing all the connections that has been made to this machine. Hit enter and the list of all connections will be showing in front of you. Now you will specify which connection you want to discover as password and you add it to that line of code. We click on upper arrow, that line of code which you just type it, it will show you again. You just add for it name equal double quotes, specify the network name that you need, see async dash 5G, close that double quotes and add key equal clear. Ta-ta-da! And the key content will show you the password over here. Save the video. You may not use this video by now, but one day it will be helpful. Subscribe if you are interested in such information and hit like in case we deserve. Cheers!